Welcome to my daily vlog. So now I'm off to the mall to just go around, kill some time, grab a drink in the cafe and just chill. Gusto ko lang talaga lumabas. I was not supposed to go out, pero parang sayang naman yung araw na to if I'm not going to enjoy it, 'di ba? So tingnan natin, we'll just go around the mall, check some stuff, check some stores kung anong bukas ngayon because it's Holy Week. Yung ibang stores narinig ko hindi daw bukas para makapagpahinga naman yung mga staff nila. So let's see kung anong bukas sa mall mamaya. I have some things to buy pero tingnan natin kung nasa mood akong mamili ngayong araw na to. And just keep you updated. It's really really hot today. When I got in the car, when I opened the car, nakita ko agad yung temperature on my dashboard. It's 41 degrees Celsius. Tapos ngayon, while I'm driving, it changes to 38 degrees Celsius. But still, it's still hot. So ngayon sa daan, parang wala masyadong mga kotse dito sa village. So most likely, nagbakasyon na sila because it's really a long weekend for most of the people na nasa corporate world or alam mo yun, may ibang business. Kasi this is only the longest time where they can just rest and be with their family. Holy Week talaga yan. Tapos maraming umuwi ng probinsya. Airports are jam-packed. Talagang vacation mode sila sa mga panahong to. And all of them really plan it ahead of time. Ngayon, I'm just driving and come with me with my day-to-day. Relax lang tayo at sana mag-enjoy din kayo kung anong gagawin natin today. Sobrang chill lang talaga. I just wanna grab a drink and maybe read a book. It's been a while since the last time na nakapagbasa ako ng book. Pero ayun, by the way, I love reading. So, especially yung mga self-help books, ay sobrang fan ako ng mga yon. Talagang gusto ko magbasa nun kasi dahil matututunan sa mga books na yun. At the same time, it will stand as your confirmation if tama ba yung ginagawa mo or you're in the right path sa balak mong gawin and with your decision making. Kaya yon, I'll share you my book that I'm going to read later when I'm in the cafe. Papakita ko sa inyo kung anong title and let's read it together. Okay? See you later. Let's do some outfit check today. For my top, I'm wearing Hollister shirt. Then for my pants, Uniqlo. Proud to be user of Uniqlo. For my shoes, they're Onitsuka slides. And of course, I will always wear one of my favorite watches. Here. So it's very casual lang. It's rubber strap. So ito yung current favorite ko na watch since I got it. And actually, mahilig talaga ako sa watch. So you'll get to see someday kung ano yung mga watches na ginagamit ko. Regardless if it's casual, everyday, or at work. So that's my outfit check for today. Oh, it's close. Tahimik, kaya pala walang tao sa parking. So I just got here in festival. Unfortunately, sarado din. So, most likely lahat ng malls today and tomorrow sarado sila. Then, for sure they'll open and have their normal mall hours on Saturday. So ngayon, daan na lang tayo sa church, maybe drop by the grocery store and head home. Kasi wala rin naman tayo pupuntahan today. Mag-chill na lang tayo sa bahay at mag-Netflix. Okay, so that's life. We have to slow down on Thursday and Friday. So I'm going to the church now. Just dropping by to pray. So come with me. I'm back in the car. Just finished going to the church. So now I'm going to drive to Westgate, grab a drink from Starbucks, and let's see if there's an open resto within the area where I can have dinner, and maybe just drop by grocery to buy some food before I go home. So I'm in Brothers Burger now for dinner. I'll just grab dinner here. So I got myself a grilled chicken with creamy pesto and one Caesar salad and a glass of lemonade. So no meat muna tayo today. So we'll just have chicken and salad for dinner. So right now, daming tao. Puro family nandito ngayon sa Westgate. There are few restaurants open here. Kaya dito lang tayo kakain before we grab a drink in Starbucks. Then after that, I'll pass by the grocery store if it's still open. I'll buy some chips so I can just sit back and relax at home and watch my Netflix series. So just stay here and chill and just watch the sunsets. Thank you. So I ordered for Caesar salad and grilled chicken pesto pasta. Wala pa yung grilled chicken pesto pasta. Pero itong Caesar salad, okay naman siya. Masarap naman siya. Tasted real Caesar salad. Hindi ko tulad ng iba. Medyo tasteless and medyo blunt yung flavor. But this one, okay. Masarap yung masarap yung Caesar dressing niya together with the Parmesan cheese and bacon bits. So gusto mo kasamahan dito sa Brothers Burger, feel free. We can share my meal. Yun. Hintayin ko lang yung pasta ko. Then I'll let you guys know kung ano lasa ng pasta. Okay, so kung napapansin nyo, kinabitan ko ng dead cat yung mic ko para at least malinaw yung boses ko. But anyway, dumating na yung grilled chicken pesto pasta natin. Tikman natin kung masarap to. So ito yung tsura niya. There, so let's see kung masarap to. Okay, then I'll let you know, guys. Okay, so I tried their grilled chicken pesto pasta. So far, okay naman siya. Lasang naman talaga. Lasang pesto pasta. But one problem is hindi pa masyado luto yung chicken. So kulang pa sa luto yung meat and chicken. So I'll just ask them to cook it well. So anyway, so far mas na-enjoy ko yung Caesar salad and the chicken pesto pasta. Okay. So, balik ko lang sandali sa kanila to for them to really cook the chicken well. Kasi medyo hilaw pa yung meat niya. So don't want to get any salmonella out of this one. So I'll just have my dinner here. So guys, when I hand over my grilled chicken pesto pasta to one of the staff here in Brothers Burger, I told her na hilaw pa yung chicken. So, kaya binalik ko so she can give it back to the kitchen and have it well done yung chicken kasi I don't wanna get any salmonella out of it. So, pag-receive niya ng pasta, alam mo yung parang she's really in doubt kung nagsasabi ba ako ng totoo na hindi talaga luto yung chicken or hindi. Na parang una, ayaw niya pang tanggapin yung plate. Na parang she wanted to tell me na, Sir, may linya ng grill so it means luto yan. But that's not the problem, that's not the point. Looks can be deceiving, so sometimes pag grinil mo yung chicken, since it's a white meat, so makikita mo talaga yung grill marks. But yung gitna niya, when you take a bite on it, makikita mo medyo transparent pa yung meat sa loob. So it means hindi pa luto yung meat. It's not really well done through. So tingnan natin kung papalitan niya yung grilled chicken, kung mas lulutuin ang kitchen nila or they'll be just so stubborn enough to just give it back again just like that na parang wala naman nagbago sa chicken. So balikan ko kayo kung anong gagawin nila dun sa pasta natin. Okay, so binalik na nila yung pasta sa akin. So let's try yung chicken kung luto na talaga or hindi pa. See? This is much better than a while ago. Yung binigay nila sa akin na half-cooked yung chicken. Kaya naman pala nila ang baguhin eh. So they should have done it right on the first time, diba? Rather than having it half-cooked. Tapos, pag nalasahan ng customer, they'll have it back, then they'll have it redone, then babalik ulit, diba? Sobrang sayang lang sa time. Hindi masyadong time efficient. But anyway, this is much better now. Mas luto siya ngayon, yung chicken. So I'll just eat half of it. Then maybe I'll just take away the half of it kasi for sure hindi ko mauubos to. I'm a bit full already. So kain muna tayo. So I'm heading back to the car now. Time to head home and just watch Netflix. So thank you guys for joining me on my daily vlog today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.